Again, I will correct one senator who said that pag sila yung majority, mas maayos yung ebidensya, yung latag ng ebidensya. Hindi trabaho po ng senator judge na maglatag ng ebidensya. Trabaho po ito ng defense at saka po ng prosecution. Yung hamon mo, magpakita ako kung hindi iduwag. Para ko rin sinabi, halimbawa, Senator, ikaw, maging independent ka, kung hindi, duwag ka. You know, this is not a radio or TV program. This is not entertainment. This is the Senate of the Philippines. So we have to be more professional. Kung hindi ka lang Tulfo at kung hindi lang Tulfo si kapatid mong si Erwin, at sinumbong ko na kayo kay Tulfo. Diba? So ulitin ko po, we're talking about the truth. For so long, ang pinag-uusapan yung impeachment ng Vice President of the Philippines, Sara Duterte. Yung unang untrue o yung unang kasinungalingan ay kami daw po ay nag-take over bilang majority at in-install ako para daw i-dismiss yung impeachment, para daw maging partial sa impeachment. Nakita niyo po yung ebidensya, napakabilis ng pagkilos, napakaayos po ngayon, pati sa pagbigay ng summon, sa pagsagot, yung schedule, ayos na po, sinunod natin yung schedule na pinopose kay Senator Soto. There's no question that we're going to have that impeachment process that everyone is asking for. Question, yung mga bishop po, yung mga business group, yung mga school groups, humingi ba kayo ng apology? Di ba, ang binigay nyo, resign ka agad. Resign ka agad, may judgment na kaagad. Pero ngayon nakita nyo, iba. So hindi pa tapos tayo sa first issue where we prove you wrong, hindi pa kayo nagsasorry dahil mali ang pananawagan nyo, may bago na naman para mag-resign. And then ngayon, yung 11, actually it's news because they said it today, but it's not new. Why? From day 1, February pa. February na pinipigilan nila na matanggal si Senator Soto at mabuwag ang kanilang mayorya at maging minority, ginamit na po pati yung mga kaso sa minority members na kasama namin na huwag kayong lilipat. Pag lumipat kayo, tuloy yung kaso. Pag hindi kayo lumipat, walang kaso. Sinabi na to ni Senator Jinggoy for the first time, inamin niya na totoo. He has evidence. A few times, I was there, kaya narinig ko yung conversation, kaya alam kong totoo. So, we're going back to the issue. The issue is not work. The issue is what is our priority. And this is the nth time. Priority natin, ekonomiya, presyo trabaho kita. Priority natin ay corruption issues, kasama ang flood control, at accountability issues, yung po yung pangatlo, yung impeachment. Pinangatlo ko lang po dahil nga